Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games, and today I have this fun algebra challenge for you, and it's about the eighth term sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and we are given that the value of C is 5 and that the sum of any three consecutive terms is 30. So given this information, we want to find what the value of A plus H is. So pause the video and give this a go. And when you're ready, keep watching for the solution. So here's what I will do. We know that C is 5 and the sum of any three consecutive terms is 30. And that is the most crucial information. So let's try and apply that to the first three terms. So we have A plus B plus C, and that equals 30. Okay. And I'm going to make a substitution that let's call A equals X. So we have A is X and then C, which is given, and that is 5. Okay. So let's write out what B is. So B equals 30 minus A minus C, which is 30 minus X minus C. So, okay, so C is 5. So 30 minus 5 is 25. And then 25 minus X is 25 minus X. So we have found what B is. So that's very good. Now, the idea with this whole problem is that we are going to keep applying this rule to all of these terms. Okay, so let's do it for B plus C plus D. Okay, B plus B, C plus D. That is 30. So we know B to be 25 minus X, and we know C to be 5. So, and then plus D equals 30. Well, you can see here, we can cancel out the 30, so we are left with minus X plus D equals 0. And then we put X to the other side. So D is just X. Okay. So let's try, now that we have D, let's try CDE. So C plus D plus E, that is 30 again. C is just 5, and then plus X, and then plus E. So 30. So here, once again, we can find that E is just 25 minus X. So it's quite interesting that we find that B and E are the same, and A and D are also the same. So, and then we do it for DEF. Okay, so D plus E plus F equals 30. So D is X, and then E is 25 minus X. Okay, and then F, so 30. So the X are cancelled out, and then we are left with 25 plus F equals 30. So F is just 5. Okay, so F is 5, and then we do it for E plus F plus G. That is 30. So E we know to be 25 minus X. F is just 5 plus G equals 30. So again, 25 and 5, that is 30. So 30 are cancelled out. And so minus X plus G equals 0. So G is just X. So we're getting close now, because we're going to apply the rule one more time to F plus G plus H equals 30, okay? And F is 5 and G is X. So here we have 5 plus X plus H equals 30. So H is just 25 minus X. So now that we know what H is, well, what did we know about A, right? A is X. So for our final answer here, A plus H is simply x plus, what is h? Well, it's 25 minus x. 25 minus x. So the answer is just a clean 25. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.